Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create ads on Facebook, an easy guide. First, access the Ads Manager by logging into your Facebook account and navigating to the main menu. Look for the Ads Manager option, usually found under Professional Tools or See More on the left sidebar. This powerful, centralized hub is where all your advertising efforts will begin, giving you complete control over every campaign. Next, you will define your campaign's objective, which guides Facebook's delivery system to optimize for your desired results. Select from options like traffic to drive visitors to your site or leads to collect customer information. Then, set your budget. You might allocate a daily spend of $30 or a total budget of $500 for the entire campaign. A clear objective and a well-defined budget are foundational for any successful advertising effort. Now it is time to meticulously define your target audience, ensuring your ads reach the right people. You can specify demographics like age ranges, for instance, 25 to 45 years old, and geographic locations, perhaps within a 20-mile radius. Dive deeper by selecting specific interests, such as online shopping or technology, and behaviors relevant to your product or service. Accurate targeting significantly boosts your ad's effectiveness and return on investment. Moving on, craft your ad creative, which is the visual and textual content users will see. Choose high-quality images or engaging short videos, perhaps lasting 15 seconds, to capture attention. Write compelling ad copy, typically 2 or 3 short sentences, with a clear call to action like shop now or learn more. Finally, select your ad placements, deciding whether your ad will appear on Facebook feeds, Instagram stories, or Messenger, optimizing for visibility and impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.